Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer named Raju. He had a small plot of land where he grew crops to make a living. Despite his hard work, Raju struggled to make ends meet and often had to go hungry. One day, while Raju was working in his fields, he stumbled upon a bag of gold coins. Overjoyed, he took the bag home and showed it to his wife. She advised him to take the bag to the king's palace and return it to its rightful owner. Raju was hesitant at first, but he realized that honesty was the best policy. So, he went to the king's palace and returned the bag of gold coins. The king was impressed with Raju's honesty and asked him if he needed any help. Raju told the king about his struggles as a poor farmer and how he could barely afford to feed his family. The king was moved by Raju's story and decided to help him. He gave Raju a bigger plot of land and also provided him with the necessary resources to improve his farming techniques. With the king's help, Raju's crops flourished, and he was able to make a good living. He became known as the honest and hard-working farmer who always put others before himself. Years passed and Raju became old. One day, he was visited by the king, who came to pay his respects. The king was amazed to see the changes in Raju's life and praised him for his honesty and hard work. Raju thanked the king for his help and said that he could not have done it without his generosity. From that day on, Raju became a legend in the village, and his story was told to generations to come. He was an inspiration to many and proved that honesty and hard work can overcome any obstacle.